Do you want to create your own website, or maybe you are tired of learning complicated courses? So you are on the right place. In this whole video tutorial, I'll show you how you can create your first website with step-by-step process, and for that you don't need any kind of prior experience. And if you have little bit knowledge about running a computer, and if you have a decent connectivity of internet, you are ready to go. And for that you don't need any kind of prior knowledge of programming or coding or any kind of complicated things. So this course will be benefited for those people who wants to design their first website, and those people who has website but they don't know how to maintain, how to run that website, and for those people who are housewife and maybe students or maybe a corporate worker or anyone who learns to develop their own website. So make sure you people complete the whole tutorial so that you people can get the whole amount of value. If you face any issues at any point of time, I'm always there to help you people, and just let me know if you have any doubts or any concerns in regards to this course. And yes, once you take the course, you will understand the whole process, step-by-step process, and you can design, you can develop your own first website. So without making delay, let's enroll to the course, and yes, let me help you to build your first website.
At the end of the video course, at the end of the tutorial, you will be able to create a website like this. And also I will be giving you one step-by-step WordPress blueprint ebook which you can download, and I have included all the points which will be necessary to create a website. So this website looks like very much pretty, and this is the lead generation form which you will get in the slider. And if I talk about this layouts and all, this part is for lead generation. And if you have a business which needs online quotation, or you can give us contact us button. And if I talk about this layouts and all, it's pretty much good. And at the end of this whole thing, you will be able to customize this whole layouts, designs, and the images, text. And you can also include all other pages like different services which you provide for your business, or if you are creating the whole website for your personal use, then use services, or you include the portfolio part of your yourself in this particular section. And you can mention all the achievements whatever you have got so far. If you have clients, you can recommend like whatever the clients criteria you have fulfilled so far. And you can also share the partners. If you have several business partners, you can include their pages, and you can include their images as well with a little biography like the details. And it's a scrolling bar, so it looks pretty awesome. And if I talk about this but logos, this is the logos. If you have some clients, if you want to showcase like how many clients you have worked for, or if you have something to showcase, you can showcase their logos. By after clicking on those logos, it will redirect to their pages. And this is the map section. If you have business in multiple locations, or else in the same location itself, you can include this map on the website homepage itself, and it will be redirecting, it will be connected with the Google Map. So it will be very easy for the visitors who are visiting your website. With the help of Google Map, they can directly reach you on the spot, on the business location. And this is the footer part. Almost this is a pretty cool, your business address and all. And here this is the video. This is the if you want, you can include any video, or else if you want, you can include any images on this particular section. And you can connect with your social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So if I talk about that header menu, this header menu is pretty awesome. They have given so many of pages, and you can customize any of the pages. I will show you how to create this menu part, how to create this layout, this pages, this navigation bars, and this change, like how to change every single data whatever present in this particular website. And at the end, you can design by your own self like this similar website, the same thing, but images and text will be yours.